Darla, hey. Hey. Say hi. Say hi. So she's 4 months now. Say hi. Hey. Say hi. Darla. She wants to play. I just woke her up. What are you doing? If you notice, the grass is all dead. We had, I think it was like 5 days in a row. It was 99 degrees or something like that. Hey, leave that alone. What? What? What do you have in your mouth? What was that? Hey. Go run. And I'm actually recording with my new HD camcorder, pocket camcorder. It's the Kodak ZI-8. Sit. Hey. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. She's going so fast. Darla. Hey. What are you doing? Say hi. Say hi. Ready? Hey. Say hi. Leave that alone. No. Come on. She likes to put everything in her mouth. Come on. Come on. I can't get her to stay in one spot and then run towards me. I got a picture of her running. It was freaking hilarious. Stop. You want to go inside? Thirsty? Stop it. She doesn't bite as much as she used to. She still bites when she wants to play like rough. Like right now. Stop. Come on. No. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on. Hey. No. Stop. I'm gonna get you. Hey. Get out of there. Hey. Get out of there. No. I'm gonna kick your butt. Hey. How you doing? What? What? Who's that? Who's that? Go play. Go play. No. 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 Alright. Alright. Who's that? Good girl. You're such a good girl. Hey, look. Look at the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. So you see, she is grown. See if I can walk away without her following me. Hey. Darla. Darla. There she is. What? She's actually pretty fast. Hey. Leave that alone. Yep. Well, that's it for now, guys. I'll be posting another video soon.